In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today we are going to learn how to find the angle between each vector. Vector is given and what is the angle between them. Okay, look here. First we need to understand the concept. What is a vector? We already studied. For example, it can be 3 iota plus 4j. 3i plus 4j, or the same thing you can write in this form. Both are vector. Okay, what is the angle of this vector? So this is, with I which is equal x, with j which is equal y. First one is x, this is equal y. So if you know this thing, so it is easy for you to find an angle. The formula is tan inverse y over x, which is equal theta. Theta is an angle. Okay, there are now different situations. For example, it can be x I plus y j. It means both are positive, x positive and y positive. There is another possibility, can be x negative and y positive. There is another possibility, both can be negative, or y negative minus x I minus y j, or better we write x positive and y negative. Another possibility, the both can be negative, minus xi minus yj, can be like this. Then how to find the angle? These are the different situations can be. So as I told you, the rule is tan inverse y over x. This is the answer for the first one, if both are positive. If x is negative, whatever you will do for all type of questions, x negative mean, for example, 3i minus 3i plus 4j. So how will you write? You will write pi minus, if x negative, you will subtract from pi always. What is pi? Pi is 180. So you will subtract from 180 if it is required in degree. If it is required in radian, you will subtract from pi. So pi minus tan inverse y over x. If x negative, you will subtract from 180 or pi, same. If in radian, pi, if in degree, 180. Okay, next, if y is negative, we will not do, just the angle will be negative, tan inverse y over x. The last possibility, if both are negative, x negative, we subtract from pi, this one. Y negative, the answer will be, the angle will be negative. So negative bracket pi minus tan inverse y over x. So these are the possibilities can come in the exam. We will solve for each one question. Look at this one, the first one. For example, 2, 5. It is in this form, no problem, column form. So 2 is x, 5 is y. Theta, both are positive, so tan inverse y over x. What is y? 5 over 2, tan inverse. So we will put in calculator, you can find the answer. So in radian, the answer is 1.19. Mostly the examiner asks in radian. If in degree, you can write in degree also, you can check. In degree, the answer is or 68.19. So another possibility, another question, for example, 4i minus 3j. It means x is 4, y is 3. If y negative, so answer will be negative. So theta equal minus tan inverse y. What is y? 3 over 4. We don't write here negative. Here we write the positive. Okay, then we will put in calculator. So the answer which is in radian, which is equal minus from here 0.64. This is our answer. Okay, the next one. Now x is negative. Minus 7i plus 4j. So if x is negative, theta equal pi minus tan inverse y. What is y? 4. X is 7. This is the rule. We have studied already. If x is negative, this is the rule. Okay, let's see. So we'll put in calculator, which is equal in the answer I'm writing in radian, 2.622. Okay, sometimes they ask you to write the answer in 2 decimal place, so 2.62. So the last possibility, both are negative. For example, I will write it now in column way. Minus 4, minus 3. Both are negative. So this is x, this is y. If both are negative, theta equal minus bracket pi minus tan inverse y. What is y? Y is 3 over 4. So we will put in calculator, write the answer directly, which is equal 2.49. So this is our answer. I hope it is clear. So like this 3 different type of questions they can ask you, so you can solve as I told you how to find the angle. The one more thing I want to tell you, the same thing we can use in complex numbers. Complex number and vector, the same thing, the method to find the angle of a vector or angle of a complex number, both are same. The same methods we will use. And also complex number, you know, the first one is a real number and this is imaginary number. So this is the same way. The second one will be the y and over x. So the rule for both vector and complex number, how to find angle of vector and complex number, both are same. So you will use the same way. It is very simple and clear. I hope you understand. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.